Hey guys, and welcome back to Plugins. And in this video, we will learn how to request customer feedback in WooCommerce using our Reminder Pro plugin. More about this later on. For now, let's get started. Now just go to your WooCommerce admin panel and hover your mouse to Plugin. And now just click on WooCommerce Reminder. Now you can see we already covered these four in our previous videos. In this video, we'll cover this one. Now let's understand the use of this plugin. This plugin is used to get customer feedback about the product that they've purchased, as you all know how effective it is for any e-commerce brand to have reviews about their product. It helps you to improve your store conversion rate, and also helps to build customers' trust. Enough talking. Now let's customize this. For that, just click on Update Content. Now, as previously I've said, the first and most important thing is to tick these boxes, because without this, your email won't be going anywhere. And now the most important thing, product review reminder email. This decides when will your email be sent to your customer after the product has been delivered to them. Now suppose you want to send feedback email to your customer on the same day that they have received their order, then leave it as 0. And if you want to send email the next day, then set it as 1. And if you want to send feedback email after the 2 days of product been delivered, then set it as 2. And if you scroll down, you'll notice that every email reminder has same setting and format. So yes, you can customize email and also use placeholders for better personalized user experience for your customer. Now let's see. Live example. But first, let's save it. Now go to Order section. Now suppose you have received this order, just click on it. Now if you look at right, you'll see Pending Payment Reminder email that will be sent to your customer. Now suppose this order is delivered. For that, let's change its status to completed. Now just click on Update. Now if you look here, instead of showing Pending Payment Reminder, it's showing Product Review Reminder. It will be sent to customer in 1 day, 23 hour, and 59 minute, which is what we have set in Review Reminder email. And that is all there is to know to get started, and thanks for watching.